Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ines and I have been doing home improvement projects since we moved into our new house. Now most of our furnitures and hardwares are up and we are starting to organize our decors. So we want to put them into place, also decide where they're going. And as you can see here, this is a lot of the stuff that I bought even before we moved in, and I knew what kind of color palette I am going with. And some of the things that I bought, they're just cheap, but you know, I can just DIY with it. So I kept it, and I bought a lot of those small painting frames. I have two set of them. They're the same, but I have to DIY it too. I plan to paint it over and do something with it. And also I have, you know, those deco from my old house. This is the sand from White Sand National Park. And I have those little things for candle holders. And I have this two wooden little frames. I happen to have these mirror stickers as well, and I thought they would go together. So I think these will go together onto the second floor. Yeah, so I have a lot of plans in my mind. Oh, I also have a lot of false leaves and stuff like that. So today, I think we're gonna decide where things will go and do it one by one. All right, so the biggest piece is right here. So I have two pieces. Let me just take that off right now. A little bit of the color came off, but it's fine. Okay, so for this picture, because it has the orange tone, and I think the best place is here, in between the two windows. Yep, I think it looks good, like here. What do you think?
I think it looked good, yeah.
Okay. Okay, we have this teal and yellow color. Because our living room is teal mainly, so I think the best place is right here. Let me take a look. Yeah, I think it looks good. What do you think?
Yeah.
So if this is case, I have two other pictures. Maybe it can go in between the window and the big picture, like this. So one here, one small one, one big one.
Yeah, that works.
Or maybe we can place one small one this side and then the other one on the other side. So we're thinking place them up like this and have three pictures. I have these three here. I really don't know where to put them because they're like long and squarey, and it's three, but it's a set. So
Well, you can use it somewhere else by itself. I don't think you need all three. My idea would be, if it were me, because we already have teal on that wall, why don't you put the smiley face on the side of our main picture, and then use these two geometric ones next to the TV.
I would think it has to go to the other side a little bit more. Yeah, okay.
See how it flows into the kitchen though?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm wearing
Yeah.
black and tennis shoes.
Yeah, that one works. What about this one? If you said you want to put there, one put there, right?
Yeah,
Does it look good here?
I think it does.
Can you put together and then we can see in the camera?
Sure.
Like that?
Yeah.
I don't know, I feel it's too small. I mean,
Well, I
it does bring out color.
I think it's fine.
What about here?
Well, that's what I was suggesting on that side.
Here and here.
Yeah, you could, yeah.
Okay, turn that one there.
About 1 foot from the thing.
Do you think it looks good? Okay, it's too small, huh?
Yeah, good. We can go back and look at it in a bit.
Yeah. Come here. Come here to the hallway.
Oh, what's the camera?
Yeah.
I got it. Stop.
Like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. 就是这个意思。
Okay.
Okay. I am thinking of putting these here. Oh no, actually, because it's our staircase are going up, I would do like this. Yeah, a little bit taller than the mirror, and this one here. Let me switch hands so. Okay, like this. I think I want some flowers here, but we need to buy some vase. Right here, what do you think? And then I have this. Maybe just right here. Okay. Alright, this is a picture frame and a clock. Maybe here. Okay, that's good. No, these are too small, I think.
Too small?
Hold it higher.
I mean, 3 of them are not gonna take up this wall.
I know.
You need to do like 3 of them as like one group and then find one.
Can you do even higher? Okay, like this. You're here, Toffee. You're here by yourself. Huh? Alright, I hope you enjoyed this deck video, and a lot of my DIY project videos are coming up soon. If you like this type of content, please give my video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button next to it so that you don't miss my next video. Alright, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!